Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to flip or mirror any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. In this project media tab, here you see we already imported few sample video footage. This time I choose this one and drag it in timeline. Alright. Now I simply zoom my timeline a little bit and let's play this clip now. So this is our sample video footage. Now if you want to add flip or mirror effect in this video clip, then process is pretty simple. Simply click on this little icon which is called event plan crop. If you don't see this little icon on your video track, then simply click on this little icon which is called hamburger button. Click on this and select edit visible button set. Then check this event plan crop. This is a new feature of this Vegas Pro 15 software. This feature actually helps us to clean our workspace. This time I check this event plan crop and hit on OK. Now click on this event plan crop icon and then simply right click on this and select flip horizontal. And yes, we are done. Let's play this clip now. Awesome, right? In this way, we can easily add flip or mirror effect in our video clip. Thank you so much for watching.